baby. This thing is on the mother's back. Holy cow, I hope it's still alive. Yes, it is. She must have just had it. Folks, take a look at that. I don't see the head go. Oh my God! Holy cow!
That's a baby.
Oh my
It's a new
gosh!
baby.
This is just a day old, or something getting goosebumps.
Where's your dad?
I saw the little nose. And you know what? If we see any boats around this area, I know.
It's a manatee. It's a manatee.
It's a manatee baby. Tiny. Oh, she might be getting birth.
Cigar.
It's a very small, it's a small dolphin. I don't want to say it's a young dolphin because they don't get very big. Is there a baby there? Is she trying to? Nope, she's got something in her mouth. She's eating something. Was there something in her mouth?
Yeah.
Maybe not. I don't know if I can handle that. Oh, right there. She's eating something. This is odd behavior, so no, they don't do that. And this is very small. These are young. They're not really young. They're just small. Look smaller in the water. I don't know. I saw something tiny too, but she would have to bring this baby to the surface. Now she's just got something in her mouth, which is not good. But I thought I saw something too. I think I jumped the gun here a little bit. Let me see if she comes up to us. There she is. Did I see two things or just one?
Going up to that Christian plant. I saw the Christian.
Okay. All right, I got too excited there.
Still pretty cool.
Well, this is odd behavior because she's right over here. She's not, or it's probably a young male because he's by himself. Usually they stay together in female groups. I'm not even sure what she said. I don't know what the...
She's playing with her food. That's funny. Did you see it?
That's all fun.
She's funny.
Hello, Flipper, can you make this?
So they're actually very, very smart. Very smart, this lagoon dog. So they are smaller. They are smaller.
This is for the calf because she usually has a calf by her side. Remember, they have a 13-month gestation period, and then they also nurse their calves for another 3 to 4 years.
Look, Maddie. You gotta watch, Maddie. Keep stopping.